In the crowded heart of the hive, where thousands work in perfect rhythm, there is a brotherhood of bees who do not work at all. They do not gather nectar. They do not build comb. They do not defend the hive. And yet, without them, the hive's story ends forever. They are the sons of the queen, born not for labor, but for a single sacred mission. A mission that will take them high into the blue sky and end in their death. This is the secret life of the drone bee, a life few notice but on which the future of the entire species depends. Number 1. Born from the queen alone, carriers of a single line of blood. A drone's life begins in quiet mystery. Unlike his sisters, he is born of an unfertilized egg, carrying only the queen's bloodline, a single thread of her genetic story. No father's shadow shapes him. His body is the echo of one mother's essence, as if nature carved him directly from her soul. This strange birth makes him unique, half the genetic complexity, yet carrying the pure, undiluted heritage of the hive. Number 2. A single destiny written in the sky. While his sisters labor endlessly for the hive, building, cleaning, nursing, guarding, the drone has only one purpose written in his body: to find a virgin queen and give her life's only gift, his seed. He will never collect nectar, never build a cell, never taste the pride of storing honey. All his strength, all his speed, all his days are bent toward a single fleeting mission, a mission that will cost him everything. Number 3. Mating means death. For the drone, love is not tender. It is terminal. When he finally finds her high in the warm blue of the sky, his body explodes with urgency. He mates in mid-flight, and in that moment of creation, he is also destroyed. His reproductive organ is torn from him, left inside the queen, and he falls from the sky, lifeless, but having fulfilled the role nature built for him. His death is the silent cost of new life for the colony. Number 4. Eyes made for the hunt of queens. Look closely and you will see the drone's eyes are enormous, far larger than those of any workers. They bulge like two dark moons meeting almost at the top of his head. They are not built for flowers or the fine details of wax, but for tracking a single moving target against the vast glare of the sun. A virgin queen on her wild mating flight. In these eyes lives the precision of nature's greatest pursuit. Number 5. Secret meeting grounds in the sky. Drones do not wander aimlessly. They know where to go. Miles from their home in invisible aerial arenas known as drone congregation areas. Hundreds, sometimes thousands, gather in swirling sunlit clouds. They wait hour after hour for a queen to appear. No one knows how they find these places, but they return to them year after year, like sacred altars in the air, crossroads where the bloodlines of countless hives are exchanged. Number 6. They are not workers and never will be. A drone carries no steam, wields no wax, hauls no pollen. He has no pollen baskets on his legs, no tools for building calm. His life is stripped of the duties that shape his sisters. Yet he is not useless. His very existence carries the weight of survival for the species. Without him, the hive's future would be stillborn. Number 7. Fed and nurtured by their sisters. Drones are the only fully grown bees that must be cared for like children. Their sisters fed them honey and royal jelly, clean them, and make space for them in the hive. For as long as they need it, drones live as honored guests, a costly investment of resources. Number 8. The autumn exile. When the summer ends and flowers fade, the drone's gentle welcome turns to cruelty. Workers drive them from the hive, dragging them out by their legs and wings, refusing to let them return. Without food or shelter, they shiver in the cold and die within days. There is no malice in this, only the hard mathematics of survival. The hive cannot carry passengers through the winter. Number 9. The unwanted attention of varroa mites. Inside the hive, drones bear another burden. Their larger cells, kept longer than workers, give parasites like varroa mites extra time to breed. These tiny enemies swarm to drone brood, multiplying rapidly, weakening colonies. Yet beekeepers sometimes use this preference as a trap, sacrificing drone brood to draw mites away from workers, saving the hive through drones' silent offering. Number 10. the slow bloom of maturity. A worker bee matures in 21 days. A drone takes longer, 24. That extra time shapes his body for powerful flight. Larger eyes, heavier muscles. He emerges slower, but when he does, he is built for speed and endurance. His life is a patient investment, a slow-grown weapon meant for one decisive strike. Number 11. The Queen's Wedding with Many Husbands. When a virgin queen takes her mating flight, she does not stop after one encounter. She mates with a dozen, sometimes more, in the span of just a few days. Each drone gives all he has in one glorious instant, then falls away. Their sacrifice ensures she carries the diverse strength of many bloodlines, storing their sperm for years to come. Number 12. Drones as architects of genetic diversity. Though they work for no single hive, drones knit together the entire bee population of a region. They carry their queen's genes into faraway colonies, creating genetic bridges across landscapes. Without drones, colonies would become inbred, fragile, and prone to disease. Through their wanderings, the species stay strong. Number 13. The quiet policing of false fathers. Sometimes, in the absence of a queen, workers begin laying unfertilized eggs, all of which become drones. But the hive resists this chaos. Workers will destroy each other's eggs, preserving the colony's resources for a future queen's brood. The drone, even before birth, is bound by the laws of hive order. Number 14. Carriers of the hive's legacy across the horizon. A drone is not just a male bee. He is a vessel of heritage. When he mates, he takes the unseen stories of his home, the floral landscapes, the survival battles, the ancient queen's bloodline, and sends them into the future through another hive's queen. In this way, drones are not just messengers of life, but carriers of history, carrying the memory of the hive beyond the horizon. The drone's life is a paradox, brief, dependent, often uncelebrated, yet utterly essential. They are born from a single mother's blood, shaped for a single act, and they vanish before the seasons turn. Most will never fulfill their destiny. Those who do will die for it. And yet their sacrifice writes the next chapter of the hive story, a story that will continue long after their wings have stilled. So next time you see a bee, remember, not all heroes work. Some are born only to fly once and give everything in that flight.